Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price predictions, the price change goals, and what is the current price of Theta network at this time. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest videos and updates. So friends, the live price predictions of the last one day of the Theta coin are on the screen. The change occurred in the Theta coin in the last one day as negative 1.41% and the high price of Theta coin as $12.54 is the high price of Theta coin in the last one day. Now friends, if we look the graph of the Theta coin, so they are fast down. As you can see here, at this period they are start falling down. At this period they are start falling down and we gradually fast down. But don't worry, if we look the currently situation of the Theta coin, so currently at this time they are a jumping mode. Now friends, for more details, let's check it out the last 2 hour price prediction, and after that we look the last 1 hour price predictions. So friends, the last 2 hour price predictions is also in the falling mode. As you can see here, the change is negative 1.6% and the high price of Theta coin is $12.18 is the high price of Theta coin. The previous price predictions, the graph tell us that they falls down for previous time, and in the last 1 hour, as you can see here, the last 1 hour they take a jump at this time. For more details, let's check it out the current price prediction at this time, the live price predictions of the Theta coin. Let's check. As you can see here, that is a live price prediction of Theta coin of the last 1 hour at this time. Positive 0.13% change occurred in Theta coin at this time, and the high price $11.99 is the high price of Theta coin. Friends, that is a live price prediction of Theta coin network of the last 1 hour. Its change occurred at this time in the Theta coin. As you can see here, the very big explosion occurred in Theta coin in the last 1 hour. So friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in this coin, please do your own research. And friends, my suggestion for all of you, if you are a Theta holders, so my suggestion for you to please hold your Theta coin with the last of this month, because we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies. Maybe they falls down, maybe they jump upward in the futures. So my suggestion for you to please hold it, because the big explosion of the Theta coin are coming soon after 17-18 April. So wait for it. And what's your opinion about Theta coin? Please share in the comment box and subscribe IBS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.